Oh dang, Duramax is in the garage. And this be our problem. I don't have four-wheel drive on the new white Duramax. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So I've already had it diagnosed, and code comes up to give me that, my wheel brush. Bad guy. And the code came back as an inoperable motor and has been verified. So I went on RockAuto and ordered the new motor myself. And I'm gonna change it myself here. So we're gonna get that fixed. I don't plan to use four-wheel drive in it, but I still want it to work. Now, right out of the box, I'm a little concerned because this little plastic thing has a clean brake, and these are the little pieces on the end. So I don't know, and hopefully this is just a plastic gear. I'm sure it's like some kind of protective thing, but if we need that, that's kind of suck. Now in RockAuto, I ordered a supposedly GM part. Maybe it's an aftermarket. I mean, it does say Korea on it, so I don't know. But it's the most expensive one. Hey, I'm trying to make a video here. Get your hand off my car. Hey, get your hand off my car. I don't know, but this was the most expensive one, and they require a core replacement. I don't know. We're gonna put it in and send it. Now, underneath the old giant pig. Oh, take me a second to get under here. Now I am 31 now. There she is, right by that drive shaft. Hopefully we can see things good. God, your hand is cold. Get it off me. So I'm gonna have to remove that little plate and the transfer case shaft. Then it should be just a series of 3, what looks like 13 or 15 millimeter bolts. And this is the part that makes me angry. When you get sent the wrong flipping part. It won't even bolt up or snap up together. And the reason being, this part that I was sent is for a 1/2 ton with automatic four-wheel drive. Not a 2500. Not auto. Ugh. Thanks, RockAuto. Now I gotta fight with them tomorrow. Till then, I guess I'll wait. So the one I was sent, well, first off, I later discovered GM no longer makes it for the 3/4 ton transmission, or that exact one. And I discovered that RockAuto listed it anyway in the 3/4 ton section. The one that I was shipped was for an automatic. So you have the auto button right here. So 1/2 ton. An electronic shift, 3/4 ton. So RPO code NB1. Found at the local shop. Local CarQuest, to be honest. We got a Dorman number 600 909. So we can't go AcDelco anymore. So So we can't use AcDelco anymore because they don't no longer support it. Oh well. Give her the old checkout here. See, we're still gonna get the old service 4-wheel drive. There it is. All right. Let's try to continue this. All right, this is a reusable gasket. Had I kind of known, I probably would have bought a new one, but on a good note, we got the correct part. Well, the job's 100% done. Let's see what happens. So far, so good. Hasn't gone off yet. I think we fixed it. Yeah, buddy, she fixed. Sweet. That's awesome. Well, all right, everybody. As you can see, that wasn't... Hey. Yeah, I was testing the truck to make sure the 4-wheel drive works now. Yeah. All right, everybody, so if that happens to be your problem and you get diagnosed that that's your issue, definitely do it yourself. Even my son agrees, right? Yeah. But yeah, wasn't a hard job. 15 millimeter, 11 millimeter, a little bit of patience and time, and it's fixed. And sometimes, depending on who you buy the part from, you can do a core exchange. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope I was helpful.